Dear students, and Indian students are bright. They do extremely well. Whenever I go abroad, I meet some of the Indian students. They are all working in universities, colleges, and all. It is an opening. Law is, but you should very work hard. The law is very so many. It is an ocean. We cannot even want to specialize in one area. That itself will take so much of time to understand and various decisions. And to understand the decisions, apply the decisions to the various circumstances, these are all very important things. We cannot understand merely quoting some sentence here and there, and copy down these pasting things and all will not sufficient. Whenever you apply a decision, you have to read the decisions, understand what is the really decided in the matter. Even sometimes we will be misled by these reporters. Actually something we have to understand, read the decision fully, not the headlines. Headlines may lead to something, some misquoting and all. So read, understand and apply. That is very. Then keep abreast with the latest developments of law. Law is changing. Law is the quintessence of public opinion. Public opinion changes, the law changes. So whenever the new area is there, and the lawmakers will feel that we should have a law. But we make law, but we later don't take much interest in enforcing it. Many of the welfare statutes are not being implemented very sincerely, effectively. But the laws are to be implemented, and they define a competent authority, so and so would be the competent authority, and the particular authority would be competent authority in another 15-20 statutes. So he may not have time to address these matters really to make that statute more effective and helpful to the common man. If laws are implemented, even the Indian Penal Code is drastically amended. So various new provision 354, A, B, C, D has come, voyeurism, the stalking, all these all has come into Indian statute. The 166A made punishable. The women-related offence is not reported to the police. If reported to the police, not registered the FIR, it is made punishable as an offence, the police officer. And one entity, no sanction is required. And if there is investigation and is cause prejudice, that is an offence. If the person who is not to be called for the purpose of investigation is called to the police station, that is an offence. If somebody is sustained some injuries and taken to the hospital, if not giving that is an offence. So the new offences have come. 370, the kidnapping, trafficking, all definition has been widely changed in accordance with the UN conventions. So these are all the changes. Throwing acid is made a separate offence. 326 A and B has been made a separate offence. So the law is changing. So the students must be aware of the latest changes in law. Corresponding changes are made in the Criminal Procedure Code. CPC also made some, not very drastically, but certain amendments. Written statement should be filed within a particular time. The affidavit evidence could be filed. It could be all these are changes. So we should be aware of the changes and the new areas of new decisions in accordance with the change law. That also is to be understood in the correct perspective, and then only in all these areas. But the law you can practice in court, that is on the litigation side. There is also a wonderful opportunity on sometimes I feel every lawyer, whether you go to the corporate side or banking sector or the any other area, intellectual property or anything, but litigation also is an important aspect. Somebody should also go to court, understand things. Then, of course, in the new 5-year course LLB, this is also court diaries and all part of the made curriculum. But even then, they go into the court, understand things, what is happening in court. They must know how the things are, law is shaping up in the court. Unfortunately, we don't have any video recording of the court proceedings. It is even when I was of the view that important constitutional matters, when it is argued in the Supreme Court, it should be videographed and shown to the whole country. The lawyers, it would be a great opportunity for our students to understand the implications of our constitutional law, but unfortunately that is not taking place. It will take place gradually. Brazil has got a channel of court has got a channel, independent channel for Brazil Supreme Court. So they all make use of that channel for educating the children and the law students, and also educating the judicial officers, training. Everything is done through that channel. So that is exclusively for the judiciary. So it is not a big thing. It could be, and India also it is possible to have a separate channel and focus attention on the legal matters, judicial matters, the various subjects, and eminent persons can give lecture, and the students can hear, understand things, and they can save a lot of money, lot of energy, lot of these traveling and all could be. If you switch on their computer or the TV, if they are able to access these valuable, the knowledge is strength. They get the strength in their own room. That is something which just as the mobile revolution taken place. I don't know why this computer revolution also is little slow. He should be able to do it. It should be very, very helpful to the student community. I am happy that you have got made use of this communication skill to teach a group of students, and it will be helpful, and students are benefited by that. Thank you for inviting to this and to meet all of you here, though directly, though indirectly. Thank you.